Greetings from the off-grid luxury of the future. The 2026 Hummer Motorhome is a car that completely reimagines what adventure is all about. This all-electric beast, which is based on the groundbreaking GM Ultium EV platform, has a tri-motor all-wheel drive system with more than 1,000 horsepower and a 450-mile range. Its strong, muscular body gives it a modern twist without sacrificing the recognizable Hummer look. This vehicle is built to dominate any terrain thanks to its enormous 37-inch tires, cutting-edge skid plates, and strengthened carbon fiber body. Thanks to features like CrabWalk mode and four-wheel steering, it can move into tight spaces that would otherwise stop other RVs in their tracks. It is ready to transport you wherever in the globe and is a mobile stronghold of luxury and power. The inside of the driver's cockpit resembles a spacecraft's command center more than a camper van. The main component, which controls everything from navigation to your off-grid systems, is a huge 13.4-inch center touchscreen. It seamlessly integrates with a 12.3-inch digital driver display, giving you immediate access to all the important data you want. With up to 18 camera viewpoints, including a live view beneath the vehicle, the UltraVision system offers you the assurance you need to avoid dangers. The AI Smart Hub Atlas, which controls the whole system, learns your routines and automates the car's operations to guarantee a smooth journey. The Hummer Motorhome really excels in the spacious living area. An open-concept smart lounge was created using premium, environmentally friendly materials and a straightforward design. With speech and gesture controls for the lighting, heating, and entertainment system, the entire facility is automated. In addition to having a retractable rooftop drone bay for route scouting or filming stunning footage, the ceiling is an incredible piece of art. A 65-inch TV quietly hangs from the ceiling when it's time to unwind. Thanks to a sophisticated multi-zone climate control system and built-in speakers in the headrests, every passenger enjoys a unique and compelling experience. A tranquil refuge is located just outside the lounge. The bedroom has a king-size bed and a huge wraparound window that provides a panoramic view of the surroundings. A sophisticated music system and ambient lighting create the ideal environment for a good night's sleep, and the smart, connected bed adapts to your body's demands. To keep things neat and orderly, the room features a ton of built-in storage in the walls and beneath the bed. When traveling, the restroom redefines luxury. After a long day of sightseeing, the roomy rainfall shower is a welcome sight, and its clever water recycling system makes it possible for you to remain off the grid for an extended period of time. The vanity sink is sleek and simple, and the toilet is a contemporary, odorless compost system. Smart sensors that regulate the lighting and ventilation ensure a fresh and comfortable environment wherever you go. The Hummer Motorhome's dedication to freedom is evident in its gourmet-style kitchen. The car's enormous battery powers a convection microwave oven, a big refrigerator, and a full-size induction cooktop. The smart pantry has a hydroponic garden that lets you produce fresh greens while you're on the go, and the counters are composed of a sturdy composite. A constantly fresh brew is guaranteed with an integrated voice-activated coffee helper.